1957 Ford Thunderbird Convertible, and this is another one that was restored by Amos and Justin Minter.
Yeah, another 312 cubic inch V8 with the dual carburetors under the hood, as you can see. And once again, the Minter restorations are just out of this world with the quality, looking better than new, but everything correct. Yeah, the double bump there for the dual carburetors, and then everything just kind of polished up, but better than new as far as the radiator, as far as the fan. And then you go to the inside here, and the interior, this one is a 3-speed manual with an overdrive, so fun to roll your own gears with this one. And that beautiful dashboard there as far as the machine turn finish in the baby blue.
Starmist Blue is the official name of that color. You know, everybody loves the baby birds, 55, 56, 57. And they'll talk about these. Now, they forget that in 1958, when we went to the 4-seater Thunderbirds, the square birds, the sales jumped tremendously. But when you look backwards, boy, what a great style. It just epitomized where things were in those mid-50s. And, of course, that bullet tail light right there that is made to look like the exhaust on a jet engine, that was the exact design. And it just sold here at Barrett-Jackson for $165,000.